I'll be trying Raffle's name, and she will try mine. Hara. Okay, my turn. Okay. Iraka. Same. Iraka. Sorry. Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
My name is Rafa, and I'm Karima, and today we're doing another challenge, the Say It Backwards challenge. It works like you get this app, you say it backwards to the app, and it will say the right word. Whoever gets it right or closest gets a point. Let's start. Yeah. Xbox. I don't know. Xbox. Oaks, books. What? I don't know. I didn't know. Okay. Next word. I did the same word. Okay, I'm gonna do the same word. Wait, I need to think. Oxford X. Okay. Next word. Pokemon. Okay. Poke. I did that wrong. Wait, is that the right? No. Close enough. The next word is SpongeBob. Bob is Nos. Bob. Yeah. Let's switch it up a bit and try a different language. Let's do Somali.
Yay!
So the first Somali word is ano, milk. Okay. Oh, nah. Oh, it didn't say. Okay. Oh, nah. Yay! Yay! Okay, your turn. My turn. The next word is Hoya. Oil. Now let's try again. Okay. League. Is that good? I don't know. Yeah, I say that's good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tag us down below what you did, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.